be here when you need me. I'll know when you're calling me.
Very good. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Appreciate your help.
Oh, my pleasure. Absolutely. Nice to meet you. I've never worked with you before.
That might be a blessing.
No.
No, I don't play that game either. I'm not. You're not gonna do that. Like outside, like.
Hello. Good morning.
Everyone, please remain muted. Please remain muted till the judge calls on you.
We got people that are talking. Folks, good morning. This is County Court Law number 5. Welcome. I need everybody to be muted until I call your name, and then you can respond, please. Otherwise, you'll interfere with it and delay the calling of the docket. What I'm going to do is I'm going to call the attorneys that are present first. And I'll ask the attorneys to raise your hand, or make yourself known that you're here. Once I've called the attorneys, then I'll call the other people that are here that whose attorneys are not here or who do not have an attorney. So, attorneys, George Schaefer.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you today?
I am well. How about you, George?
I'm delighted to be here.
Good. What you got?
Judge, I have case number 675056.
That's on page 4675.
056, the state versus William Johnson Jr.
All right, he's set for jury trial. This has been reset 10 times. We have a special setting Wednesday, don't we, Linda?
Yes, we do, Judge.
Okay, George, I'm gonna put you on call.
Okay. He's present in the courtroom, by the way, Your Honor.
Very good. I appreciate both of you being here on time. You will be on call on the jury. I'll be honest with you, I'm doubtful that you'll be up, because we've got a bunch of them. 2 of them had 17 resets and a couple of them 16s and down the line.
Okay.
So unless you have something else, I'm gonna excuse you. Linda, what will be the date for them to come back?
Wednesday, October 5th at 1:30.
Okay, that's you'll be on call Wednesday.
October 5th at 1:30.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And these will be live in the courtroom then.
That's correct.
Yes.
Thank you, Your Honor. May we be excused.
Yes, sir, you are.
Have a great day.
You too. Taylor Wood.
Good morning, Judge.
Good
I'm
morning,
here.
ma'am.
Oops, sorry, it's a little sunny. I'm here for Logan DeArmond, and I have the case number if you're ready.
Please, yes, ma'am.
650760.
It's 50760, bottom of page 2. Reset 16 times.
Yes, Judge. He got a mental health court evaluation done, and actually he was supposed to be referred to DWI court. We filled out the referral form, and I've reached out to DWI court a few times, and I'm not sure what happened, but they haven't set him up for an evaluation yet.
Well, it's been reset 16 times. I'm going to put you well, you're not even set for jury, so we're going to recall this in 2 weeks to see the status of that request for referral.
That's great, Judge. Thank you.
You're welcome. By the way, Mr. DeArmond, are you present?
He's here. His Zoom's Logan.
I am present.
Very good.
And
thank you
in
both
terms
for
of
being
the
here on time.
yes, sir. And actually, yesterday I did schedule a DWI evaluation for the 5th of October.
Perfect.
Great. All right. Then let's see what happens.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Have a good day. Y'all are excused, Ms. Wood, unless you got something else.
That's it, Judge.
Take care. Have a good weekend.
You too.
Joseph Stateson.
Hello, Judge. I'm here for Monica Guedetto. Her client is Jason Webb, 689354.
689-354. Very last one on the docket. Jason Webb.
Yes, sir. I'm right here.
Good morning to you.
I haven't had my coffee yet. That's why I'm a little slow.
That's okay. I've got mine right here.
I just got mine made too.
What are we doing with this, Mr. Stateson?
If I can confer with the prosecutor,
You're number one to confer, sir.
thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, Linda, can you make me co-host, please?
Yeah, sure.
Thank
David Volk. You're muted in case you don't know it. David Volk.
You're muted, sir.
I'm sorry, Judge. This is David Volk for Taylor Rodriguez, Your Honor. Good morning.
Good morning. Case number.
Yes, sir. It is, sorry about that. My wife called. 656-511.
Page 3.
656-511.
Give me a second, Ellen.
And that's set for jury.
Yeah, Judge, I'd like to confer. I had talked to the court about this case. I've got major mitigation stuff. And so if the court could put me into confer, otherwise we'll take whatever setting you give us.
All right, we're going to put you into confer, sir. Report
Thank
when you're through. Have a good day.
Davis and Andrew Prochnow, please remove your caps for the court. Andrew Prochnow and Davis, thank you.
Bertram Woods, Bo.
Good morning, Judge. How are you, sir?
Supreme Court?
Yeah, that's right. I'm just hard at work.
Wow.
I think I'm number 2 on your docket. It's case number 502913. Upson, Angelica
Texas
Upson.
versus Angelica Upson. Miss Upson, are
Yes,
you present?
She is available to, I've been texting with her. It's a hot check, and she texted me last night that she sent the money Thursday and they told her they would get it by Monday. So I told her I would ask you if we could maybe recall this Tuesday, and I'll come by Monday and see if a payment was made, and I'll ask for a receipt
All right.
at that time.
Linda, make it so.
Okay, Judge.
Recall to Tuesday the 4th.
Yes. Bo, can you call me also?
Yes, I will, Linda. I will.
Okay, thank you.
Call her
Thank you.
Linda,
Thank
but she wants you to call her in addition.
Okay. A new
George
name,
Sharman.
Thank you, Judge.
Good morning, Judge. How are you today?
I am well. How about you, George?
Doing well. I'm here on Honorio Galarza. And I see a lot of phones, but I don't see his name.
Honorio Galarza, are you present? At this point, he is a failure to appear. George, make sure he checks in with us.
I will, Judge. We called him and talked to him yesterday, so he knows to be here. We'll be in touch.
All right, now, this thing has been reset 17 times, George. You're gonna need to bump this thing because I am running out of time and perhaps you
Yes,
might be
sir.
too.
If you could let me confer as well, I'll do that.
Absolutely. You are number 3 to confer.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good to see you. Looking dapper.
Thank you.
Next attorney. Is there another attorney in the crowd?
Michael Belichick.
Michael Valachek, you forgot to put up your hand.
I'm sorry, Judge. I've been looking to see if my client was on. And I didn't. Oh, there she is. It's Crystal Sanchez, page 4, case number 671436.
I sure like it when you'll give me your page number. It makes it quicker.
Well, I only have one Zoom today, so I was able to do that. When I have 5 or 6, I can't.
What's your case number?
671436.
There you are. Yes. Crystal Sanchez, good morning.
Good morning.
So Michael, what are you doing today?
Judge, we were going to do a mental health referral, and I'm a little befuddled since I had COVID. I thought I filled out the forms that Linda sent me online, but maybe I didn't do it right. I'm not sure. And I'd like to talk to the prosecutor. I have some information to give them that may be helpful.
All right. I'm gonna list you as conferring, and thank you both for being here on time.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Let's see, Karen Corby.
Do I just wait on here or?
Yes, ma'am. Wait for your
Okay.
turn.
Okay.
Karen
Good morning,
Corby.
Your Honor.
Good morning.
Good
How
morning.
are you?
I've got 4 people on your docket.
All right.
Let's start with first page, actually, yeah, first page, Mindy Garcia.
Mindy Garcia, 624-087.
Yes, Your Honor.
Been reset 10 times.
Yes, so I'd like to confer on that. Actually, I have 4 cases on your docket,
Present.
Judge. I'd like to confer on all of them.
Now, it is a jury setting, so be aware. You will
Yes,
be
Judge.
on call. All right,
I've also got, do you want me to tell you all my cases or just go confer?
no, give me all of them.
Okay, then the next one is going to be on page 3. It'll be 677591, bottom of the page, Davis Beard.
It's on page 4.
And that is a jury setting, Ms. Corby.
Yes, Your Honor.
David Beard.
Yes,
Your Honor, I'm here.
Good morning, Mr. Beard.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Thank you both for being on time. Ms. Corby, you're going to confer on this one too, right?
Yes, please. And then also on page 5 is, whenever you're ready,
Yes, ma'am, go ahead.
680319, Joe Medina.
680319. Joe Medina. Joe Medina.
Judge, he was having trouble logging on, but I have we've been in contact this morning.
Okay, make sure that he checks in with us. It is a jury setting, as you know.
Yes, Judge, and then I have
You
one
have a
more.
fourth one?
Yes, just having trouble finding it.
It's Justin Gomez, same page, 683549.
All right, Justin Gomez, are you present? Justin Gomez.
I do believe he is, Judge. He may just be having difficulty with the mute.
You see him? Somebody's Linda or Grabowski, y'all see him?
I see his name on the participants last
Okay.
one.
Okay, very good.
Okay. Yes.
All right. You are scheduled to confer on all 4.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Brian Oriole.
Morning, Judge. How you doing?
I am well. How are you?
Good. It's Friday.
Hey, every Friday is a good Friday.
Right. Judge, I have 2 cases this morning. I have Miss Betty Ramirez, which is 672727.
Page 4, Judge.
Thank you. 672 747.
727, Judge.
I'm sorry, yeah, 727. Barry Ramirez.
Yes, sir. And she is present on the Zoom here.
All right, you're on jury trial. You at this point you are on call for Wednesday. Do you want to confer on this?
Is the October that 4th, Judge?
It's October the 5th.
5th.
What time we calling them, Linda?
1:30.
Are you going to confer today, Mr. Oriole?
I can, Judge, or I can confer with them off docket. Whichever is
All right.
easier for the court today. As of right now, we're
Very
ready
good.
to
We
proceed.
call Wednesday, and thank you both for being here on time.
All right, and Judge, on that, so do we need, will the court let us know if we're need to be there on Wednesday, or do we show up at 1:30 on Wednesday?
Let me ask the boss, Linda.
As of right now, you'll just show up at 1:30. Okay.
If it looks like we're getting bumped or something, you'll.
Yeah, I'll let you know.
David Cuellar.
Then Judge, oh, sorry.
Good morning, sir. I'm here. I believe my client's here. See, he seems to have a locked screen, but.
Give me a
he's-
case number,
I see his
David.
name.
Give me a
Case number
David.
633-185.
Page 2, Judge.
I'm sorry? That's Randy Lissy.
633-185, Randy Lissy, reset 16 times, jury setting.
Yes, sir.
You're
We're
at
waiting
the
for a
top of
trial,
the
Your
list.
Honor.
Pardon me?
I'm sorry?
What are you saying?
We're waiting for a trial, Your Honor. We don't need to confer.
You may get, you're on call Wednesday at the top of the list, sir.
Yes, sir.
Be ready.
1:30.
Yes, sir. We will. Thank you. 1:30. May
All
we
right.
be excused?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
both for being here. Is
Thank
Mr.
you.
Lissy here?
I see him.
Yeah, yes, sir, I'm here.
He's here.
Thank you. You're both excused.
Thank you.
Stacy Kraus.
Good morning, Judge. I have Alyssa Lopez, 615113. She's on the first page, third one down.
All right. Good morning, Ms. Lopez. Are you present?
Judge, she is at work. She's with a patient right now, so she can't actually even, sneak out to try and get on the Zoom. She's a nurse.
Okay. And besides, this is listed as PTD, pretrial diversion. Where are we on that?
It's not a pretrial diversion, it's a DWI, Judge. We have an offer from the state. Alyssa and I, because of her schedule with her work, we've been having a really hard time just touching base so I could go over the offer with her. I still haven't been able to schedule that time to be able to go over the offer with her.
All right, well, it's been reset 8 times. I'm gonna give you 3 weeks to come back and give us some kind of report.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
October 21st.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Bye.
Joseph Stateson, you're back. What's going on?
I am, Your Honor. I've conferred with ADA Virgil Yanta. We have an offer. If we could have a pretrial setting to convey the offer to.
All right. This is,
Last page, Judge.
yes,
Yeah. very good.
reset this for 4 weeks, Linda.
Okay, October 28th.
You
Got it. Thank you, Judge.
Okay, Joseph, how's your dad doing?
Keeping himself busy. He's doing well. No complaints.
Give him my regards.
I will. Yes, sir.
Mr. Stateson's father and I went to high school together, so it kind of tells you how old his dad and I are. Have a good day. Brian Oriole, what you got?
Hey, Judge, sorry, I have one more case on the docket with you.
Yes, sir.
It is 663-394, Mr. William Lopez.
Page 4, Judge, top of page 4.
And on that one, Judge,
Okay, that's one of those separate trials with 13 resets, so you're right. at
yes,
the top of the-
so you can
I'm
log
here,
us in
Judge.
for the 5th, Judge, at 1:30, and then I will see if the state and I can work anything out before then.
All right, I encourage you to do so, because as you know, I'll be through 12:31, so if you want me to preside over something, you better get with it.
Absolutely, Judge.
All right.
Is the defendant good to go for Mr. Brian? He is in the courtroom, Judge.
He's in the court, Judge. Can he be
He is
excused?
excused until Wednesday, the 5th at 1:30.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. As I said at the beginning, I'm calling the attorneys. Polo Boyso, are you an attorney?
Well, boy, the one that's that's me, Jesse Palacios.
Are you an attorney?
No.
All right, I'll call you later. Stick around.
Okay.
All right. Any other attorney?
Listen, I'm in court right now. If you call me back
Abelardo Garza.
later. Morning, Judge.
Good morning.
I'm here on Sobe, if I could confer. with the prosecution.
636, 638 on page 2, Judge.
That is Sina Sobe, are you present?
Good morning, Judge. How you doing?
I'm well.
Good, good.
Sina Sobe?
Yes, sir.
All righty. Mr. Garza, you gonna do any conferring? Otherwise, you come back Wednesday.
He's conferring, Judge.
All right. So noted. Attorneys, raise your hands. Let me see.
Sharon Thorne.
Where is she at? Sharon Thorne.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Good morning, Ms. Thorne.
Good morning, Your Honor.
What case you got?
Renisha Overton, it's case number, let me get the case number, 667-415 and 667-416.
It's on page 4. 667-415. That's Renisha Overton. Miss Overton, are you present?
She should be.
Yes.
I know she should be.
She is, Your Honor. She just.
All right. Has been reset 10 times, is set for jury. Are you going to confer at all, or otherwise you should?
I'll confer, Your Honor. Is Kenny back or is it going to be with Virgil?
I think you're dealing with Virgil.
Okay.
We have anybody else, Linda?
No, just Virgil, I believe.
Okay, so he's a good man. You can deal with him.
Okay.
All right. Attorneys, anybody else?
David Wolk.
David Wolk is back.
Yes.
David, what you got?
Judge, can I announce?
Yes, sir.
Me and Mr. Yanta reached an agreement on my case.
Case number.
It is, let's see, it was Taylor Rodriguez. It's 656511.
Page 3.
Okay. David Wolk, agreement, what you got?
As far as you want the agreement, Judge?
Going to be a plea or what?
It's going to be a plea to a first.
Okay, we don't need the details, but we'll Linda will schedule you to come in at 1 o'clock in the afternoon.
Actually, now that we're back in person, Judge, it'll be at 9 o'clock.
Okay, 9 o'clock. Tell him what day.
October 6th.
Let's see that thing.
10-6, Mr. Wolk.
Let me just make sure. Taylor, are you available 10-6 in person, 9 a.m.? Okay. All right, we'll see you then.
Okay.
Very good.
Thank you, Judge. May we be excused?
Yes, you are excused, sir.
All right.
Attorneys.
Ernest Acevedo.
Ernest Acevedo the third with correct enunciation.
Yes, sir. Good morning, Judge. How are you?
Okay, Ernest, I thought you'd be out playing golf.
Well, the Mama tournament is this afternoon, the one they named after my father this year. So
right.
I actually will be out there this afternoon.
Really? I guess we all miss him, and even more so on an occasion like this. So
Yes,
what you
sir.
got, Ernie?
I have two cases. I wanted to see if I could confer quickly.
Give me the case number, sir.
There's Brian Ramirez, which is 687913.
687. It's on page 5. Bottom of the page. It's a no file, Ernie. We're gonna reset you.
Oh, is there no file? I mean, I have the discovery, but they haven't filed it yet.
No.
Okay, yeah, then a regular reset on that one is fine.
Let's make it 28 days, 4 weeks from today.
Okay, that would be the 28th of October.
Okay, and your other one is
Alexander DeBaron, 629831.
that's
Page
correct.
2.
It's been reset 14 times, Ernie, and set for jury. You're up at the top of the list.
All right, when would you like us back?
You're gonna confer any, or you're gonna wait till Wednesday?
Is that when we're coming back next Wednesday?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, recall us for Wednesday, Judge, and I'll reach out to the prosecutors before then to see if there's any agreements.
Okay, that'll be at 9 o'clock, Linda?
No, sir, 1:30 for jury.
All right.
On next Wednesday.
Yes,
correct.
Ernest, at 1:30 on Wednesday, October 5th.
All right.
All
Perfect.
right. What else we got?
That's it, Judge, those two.
Take care. Have a great
Right.
afternoon.
And so, both my clients are here in court, Judge. Are they both excused?
They are both excused. Yes, sir.
All right, and I'll reach out to both of them individually as well. All
Good.
right, thank you, Judge. Have a great day.
You too. Take care.
George Sharman.
George Sherman.
Yes, I mean, they have an offer for us that, I'm gonna recommend to my client to take, and I'd like to reset it for a plea, but I need to talk to him. He's here, Judge.
All right, we're going to reset you in 2 weeks for a plea.
And then in the meantime, I'll talk to him. So if he can be excused, I'll give him a call and explain it to him.
All right, Mr. Galarza, did he ever show up?
Yeah, he's right here.
Okay.
Larson,
Yeah.
you're muted, so they can't hear you.
Okay, we got
I
it.
see him, Judge.
I see him.
I got it.
Okay.
Thank you. All right, you're both
George.
excused.
10/13,
Say again?
October 13th.
10/13. Look, I don't know if I can do that date because I'm gonna be in Fredericksburg on an intoxication manslaughter case.
Okay.
Okay. Do you want to do the 17th?
What day of the week is that? I don't have.
That's a Monday.
Hold on just a second. Hold on. What was that, Elsa? Okay. I'm told I'm free on the 18th or the 25th.
18th is fine then.
All right. Very good.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good day. Attorneys.
Adrian Bettis, Judge.
Good
morning, sir.
I see his goatee only, or?
Yes, sir. The camera's
There
down
you
here.
are. Yeah, I got you.
Good morning,
Mr.
sir.
Pettis, what you got? Good morning to you. What you got? What's case number?
I have 677-154. Sean Meehan. He has another case as well, but that's one case number.
It's 652960, Judge, page 3.
He's present in the courtroom, Your Honor. He was present with me in the 186 at 9 o'clock. So that's why we're here both late. He tells the deputy tells me he checked in prior to 9 with her.
Very good. You have 3 felonies pending.
Yes, sir. We just had court. The coordinator is going to reset them. He's not giving me a date, but I'm asking for perhaps a 90-day reset in your court. I do think the state's going to TIC all of your cases because we do expect a plea in felony court next time. Sir.
How about 60 days? You talking about November or October, the plea?
I'm thinking it's going to be November, maybe even December. The coordinator in the 186 sets them out a little bit. I'll take whatever you give me, sir.
All right. Well, if that's the circumstances, Linda, give him 90 days.
Okay. I'll reset you to, let's do December 9th.
That works great. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Maybe excused, Your Honor.
Well, okay, you said Mr. Meehan is with you. All right. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Excused.
Thank you.
Justin Gomez, are you an attorney or a defendant? Whatever. All right. Any attorneys?
Yes, in the courtroom, Judge.
All right. Who else we got? Attorneys.
Okay. Good morning, Your Honor.
I can't tell who you are. Who is it?
It's Anthony Zamora. I'm here on 2
Okay.
cases.
What you got?
We got transferred from County Court 13 on a Bill Woods to your court. It's the same announcement we've had over there for a year and a half, which is present and ready.
Case number.
Judge, I just walked in and I saw you on Zoom. I apologize. I believe I'm on the second page. So
And
I
that
have
is Billy
Ramon.
Wood. Billy Wood, are you present?
he is, Your Honor. He's in the courtroom.
All right. Very good.
And Judge, I've got one more.
Wait, what are you doing on this one? It's a jury trial.
Yes, sir.
You ready?
Yes, sir.
Then you're among the top of the list. see us Wednesday at 1:30 on this one.
Okay, Judge, I believe I'm in Kerrville on Tuesday, but I will notify the coordinator in the court Tuesday afternoon if I'm in jury trial up there.
Already.
And
Should you have such great luck?
exactly. I'd rather be here. Let me make a notation of that. And we've got one more when the court's ready, Judge.
Go ahead.
That one is Ramon Lares. And I believe we had an offer of a deferred on an obstruction, which we're prepared to take this morning. I had left a voice message Wednesday that we would need a Spanish interpreter. So if the court's ready and that's still the offer, it got reset a couple of months because of my personal matters.
Judge, that's case number 659301, page 3, 659301.
I'm on it. Mr. Zamora,
Yes, sir.
you want this, you're saying that you're willing to take the deal, so I'm gonna say reset for plea.
Okay, Judge.
And then
On
we'll
what
let
day?
you and Linda will work the date out.
Is
Okay.
October the 6th good for you?
Let me see.
We're back in person, so it'll be at 9.
Okay. October the 6th. May we do the 5th? I'm gonna be here on the other matter if it doesn't go in Kerrville.
Yeah, we can do it. It'll be in the morning though, but yeah.
Okay, and then may I request a Spanish interpreter for that morning?
Yes, I already wrote it down for you.
Okay. And Judge, may we be excused?
You are excused. Thank you for being
Thank
here.
you, Your Honor.
All right. Attorneys, somebody else.
Sydney Reed.
Sydney Reed.
Good morning, Judge.
Australia. Good morning, Miss Australia.
I would like to speak. I think one of my clients is present in the courtroom, and then the other one I see her on Zoom. Can I be put in a breakout room with Jasmine Salinas?
Yes, ma'am. What's case number?
It is, sorry. That's gonna be 6, nope, wrong one.
I got it. Bottom of
Okay.
page 3662270.
Yes, that's correct.
Jasmine Salinas, are you present?
Yes.
Good
Yes,
morning.
sir, I'm
ma'am.
here. Good morning.
Sydney, what are you gonna do with this?
I'm sorry.
What are you gonna do with this?
I'd like to speak with my client in a breakout room, please.
Okay, place her in breakout, report back as far as what you're gonna do.
Yes, sir.
All right, Michael Valachek.
Yes, Judge. I'm back from breakout with the state and we didn't make much progress, but I need to get with Linda and see what I did wrong or if I need to do something else on this referral to County Court 12 Mental Health Court.
Give me that case number again, Michael.
It is, I'm sorry, 671436 on page 4, Crystal Sanchez.
Okay. I had you conferring, you're through conferring. Linda, what do you want to do as far as his application and stuff?
Yeah, Mike, can you just call me later this afternoon and I'll check into it.
Okay, all right. Are you going to be there also?
I'll be here.
Okay, I may be in the courthouse and drop by. Or
Okay.
I'll call you, either way.
Okay.
All right, thank you. We're excused.
All right, attorneys, to see some hands or make yourself visible to me.
Mr.
I see
Sharman.
Mr. George Sharman.
George,
Your
what's up?
Honor, excuse?
George Sherman.
Yes, Judge, I conferred with my client. Honoria Galarza, he says he wants a trial.
All right, then we'll be here Wednesday. You're probably number one.
It's on, hold on, let me see that, what's happened to me on the 5th.
That's correct. 1:30.
Oh, 1:30 in the afternoon.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
very good.
That's when they make a jury panel available to me.
All right.
All right. Any other attorney need to check in? All right. Sure.
He refuse the plea offer.
Then, since there are no other attorneys at this time, I'm gonna call the rest of the docket. 449945, we have Irma Satberry. I think that was,
She's made a payment, Judge.
all right. 621497, State versus Charles San Miguel. And that's Neil
Present, Your Honor.
Kaufman.
I'm present, Your Honor.
Good morning, sir. Where's your attorney?
I have no idea, Your Honor.
Linda, have you heard from Neil Kalfas?
No, sir, I have not heard from them.
Well, make a note that he has not followed the rules on that. He's supposed to check in with us ahead of time. This thing's been reset 15 times. Mr. San Miguel, stick around for your attorney.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. 625635, State versus Andrew Procknow. Attorney Joseph Aguilera.
I'm
present, sir.
Good morning to you, sir. Mick, what?
We'll be late, Judge.
Okay. Thank you.
Mhm.
625769, State versus Dominic Esquivel. Attorney Adam Pultz.
Reset PTD, Judge.
Reset, okay. 629509, State versus Silverio Alonso, who is currently a guest at the jail, and that is Julie Pollock.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, Ms. Pollock.
Good
What are
morning,
you-
Judge.
What are you doing this morning?
He had retained an attorney on an felony MTR. Does it still show that I'm his attorney on these misdemeanors?
Yes, ma'am, so far.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I've reached out to the felony attorney. I was originally on that MTR and had worked a deal out to take care of all of these misdemeanors. I don't know if the new attorney has done anything. He has not contacted me. It's Ricardo Ramos.
All right.
I
Well,
guess he's not
I'm gonna-
present today.
I'm gonna recall you in 2 weeks so you can give us some kind of impression of what's going on.
October the 13th, and it'll be in person, Julie.
All right, ma'am, thank you.
Thank you.
631926, State versus Hector Santana. And the attorney is Johnny Cisneros. Jury setting, reset 11 times previously.
Johnny will be late, Judge, but he did state to tell you that he is ready on that case.
All right. Defense is ready. State, are you ready?
They are in, he's in a breakout room.
All right. Six, 3, 6, 6, 3, 8, State versus Sina Sobi. I think we called that, right?
Yeah, we did.
All righty. 647722, State versus Rolando Caldera, attorney. Baltasar Serna.
That's been reset, Judge, for Monday, I believe.
All right, on page 3. 652229, State versus Nicolas Alonso, attorney. John Rittenauer. Nicolas Alonso. Absent. John Rittenauer, have we heard from him?
No, sir.
Okay. It's not like him not to appear.
Mhm.
653129, State versus Adam Hernandez, attorney. Derek Ritchie.
That's Sydney Reed, Judge.
Can't fool me. Derek
Well,
Ritchie
I mean-
is not Sidney Reed.
She's in for Derek Ritchie.
Okay,
screen.
that's what you were trying to tell me.
I'm here,
Judge.
Adam Hernandez,
Speak loud.
was that he that
Yes,
responded?
that was him who responded, Judge.
All right, and what are we doing on this? Is Sydney conferring on it?
Yes, she's in a breakout room, Judge.
All right, thank you. 654558. Reset 14 times and it says no file. Are you kidding me?
Oh, Judge, it is a no file.
With 14 resettings?
Yeah, this is the one that was gonna be the, hold on. This is the one that was going to be the motion for speedy trial, but it's being reset.
Okay, 654558, State versus Ali Okab. And the attorney is, okay, Leslie Sahanovich.
Mhm.
All right. 658402, State versus Victor Arredondo. And that's Eddie Brabenek. Eddie never shows. Did he show today or make contact?
Hold on. I'm sorry, Judge, what?
658402, State versus Victor Arredondo, attorney Edward Brabenek.
No response from Mr. Brabenek.
And how about Mr. Arredondo?
No response, Judge.
Failure to appear.
Judge, we have Attorney Michael Goins on.
Okay.
Michael Goins, where are you? There he is. What you got?
Your Honor, I'm here today on the case we talked about on Wednesday, Miss Anya Rutia. She did her class that the DA requested, but now the new DA is saying there's no notes in it file. I have it in all my notes that it'd be dismissed with the APSE course. And I emailed you the certificate 2 days ago.
Okay, stick around a little bit. We'll see.
No problem, Your Honor.
We'll see what the DA says.
And she's in the courtroom, Your Honor, just so you know.
Okay, can you give me the case number?
Yes, Your Honor. The case number is 678995 and 693158.
And what's your first name? I know it's Urrutia.
Anne Marie Urrutia.
Anne, okay.
It's still misspelled, Your Honor, on the file.
Right. I've ordered that that be changed, but we'll see how well that my orders are obeyed. All right, we'll check a little bit. 664643, State versus Diego Ortiz, attorney Luis Martinez. Heard from Luis. And
You're muted.
Linda.
I'm sorry.
Linda.
I'm sorry. Who are we on? I'm sorry.
Second one on page 4.
Second one on Diego Ortiz.
Yes.
Lewis actually is in Bandera County, Judge, and he asked if we could reset this for the defendant to finish his classes.
All right. So it is.
Okay.
673402, State versus Richard Opio, and the attorney is Joseph Aguilera.
Mick is gonna be late. No response from Mr. Opio.
Opio, Richard Opio twice. Richard Opio is a failure to appear. Then and that is a jury setting, so that's doubly on to page 5. 679487, State versus Mark Rodriguez, Neil Kalfas.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Mr. Rodriguez. Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Have you heard from your attorney?
No, sir. I did call this morning, and I didn't get a call back, but I was waiting. I was waiting on them.
Linda? Have we heard from Neil Kalpas?
No, sir, we have not.
All right.
I'll call their office.
It's Paul Vasquez. It's out of Neil Koffa's office.
Okay, I'll ask for him.
I called a little while ago. I think they were in court. I'm not sure.
All right, stick around and wait. 682810, State versus
sir.
Lakeisha Jones, no attorney. Lakeisha Jones. Lakeisha Jones is a failure to appear. 682833, State versus Karen Culberson, attorney. Anton Hayek. Anton Hayek, any word?
No, sir.
And Karen Culberson. Karen Culberson is a failure to appear. 684958, State versus Ricardo Cardona Martinez, attorney. Baltasar Serna.
Reset, Judge.
Thank you.
Mhm.
686332, State versus Vicente Rodela, attorney Jerry Valdez.
Mr. Valdez will be late.
And Vicente Rodela,
No response, Judge.
failure to appear. Going on to page 6. There is nothing on 6. It's already done. All right. Is there anyone that thought their name should have been called and did not hear it, or you've come in late and have not heard your name? Make yourself known.
Jesse Palacios.
Jesse Palacios. That doesn't sound like a name that's on this docket, is it?
I don't see it. Do you have a case number or a SID number?
Yeah, I have a SID number 804882.
You were set on 9/26.
Yeah, that was Monday. I called my attorney and told her I wasn't gonna be able to make it. I had a follow up for the neurologist.
Okay.
Give him a 2-week reset.
Okay, I'm gonna give you October the 13th.
That's fine, thanks.
Okay, you're welcome. And we'll be in person. You will need to be in the courtroom for docket call at 9, okay?
Okay,
All right.
thank you.
Mhm.
Next person, anybody else?
Hello?
Yes. Hello? Anybody else? All right, then the court will be in recess at this time. Mr. Goins, let's see what we got with you. Ms. Urrutia, Anne Marie Urrutia. What was the deal with that, Mr. Goins?
Yes, Your Honor. On July the 5th, your ADA at the time said if you take the APSC course, which I sent you a certificate for, that the case would be dismissed. On July the 3rd, before that, I'd filed a motion to modify the bond to no contact to no harmful or injurious contact. And recently, the daughter showed up at her house, and she was and even though it was at her house, Miss Urrutia was arrested for her daughter showing up at her house under the no contact order, which she believed that had already been changed no harmful or injurious contact. Those are the two things going on, Your Honor.
Okay. So bottom line, what do we need to do?
Well, Your Honor, I think they both need to be dismissed because she finished the class she was requested to do by the state.
And have you talked to the DAs about, who did you talk to, by the way? Was it Kenny Delco?
Yes, it was. We talked to him on Wednesday, and he gave a name. I cannot remember who the DA was at the time, Your Honor.
Okay. Linda, let's get Mr. Yanta between meeting with the different clients or defendants. Let's get him to visit with us, maybe in a breakout. All right,
Okay, I'll get him.
thank you.
All right, give me a second.
Your Honor,
Sharon?
may I approach?
Yes, ma'am, you have approached. What can I do?
Yes, I'm still waiting on Nicholas. Excuse me, Virgil. However, he's not able to talk to me. I told Linda a couple days ago, I have to hit the road. My nephew's being promoted to Lieutenant Colonel at Fort Hood. I got to get on the road. So
You got a nephew that's a lieutenant colonel?
yes, sir. I'm very proud of him and I've got to get on the road. So I need to leave. If you need me to report back next week or what you want me to do, Your Honor, and my client, but I have to go.
What's the case number?
It's the two cases, and I was gonna try to confer. It's 66. Look at it.
7415, it's set for jury trial, Judge.
Yes, sir. And I would have conferred, but I've got to go. And I've tried to confer with Kenny, and he's who I conferred with in the past, and I know he's on vacation, so that's.
Let's recall this 1 week, Linda.
Okay, do you want me to leave it for Wednesday, the 5th for jury trial?
Where are you on that, Sharon?
It's kind of a bad day for me, but I mean, if.
Yeah, I guess so.
Let's recall it 1 week on Friday.
Okay.
On Friday. All right. Thank you, Your Honor, and I apologize, but I do need to leave.
Don't worry about it. Recall 1 week and be careful on the road.
Thank you. And may my client be excused.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Linda, where are you going to put Mr. Goins? And when you put Mr. Yanta in there, let me join him.
Okay, I will. Okay, and I'm gonna call Virgil right now.
All right.
Your Honor, my name is Joe Medina, and I haven't heard my name.
Your name is what?
Joe Medina.
Johnny Diaz?
Joe Medina.
Oh, I'm sorry. Joe Medina.
Yes, sir.
I called your name earlier. Let's see.
My attorney, I believe, is Karen Corby.
There it is. Joe Anthony Medina. Your attorney is Karen Corby.
Yes, Your Honor.
She's conferring on a bunch of cases. I had noted you were here. I don't know why. Maybe you were not. But stick around, wait for her.
Okay.
All right. Court's going to be in recess. Linda, when Mr. Yanta joins Mr. Goins, tell me. Okay, Sydney, what you got?
Yes, Judge, on 662-270, Jasmine Salinas. If we could reset that for a plea.
Can we do October 6th?
Let me look real quick.
Reset for plea.
October 6th is a little crazy for me. Is there a different date?
How about what date would be good for you?
Let's see, I could do the 7th.
Okay, we can do the 7th.
Okay.
What about on Adam Hernandez?
I need to speak with the state about that.
Okay.
Okay, Sydney, you're pending to confer.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Sydney, go back to 8 and he'll be with you in a little bit.
Okay, thank you.
Anyone else reporting? All right, court will be in recess then. I am here, Linda.
Hello?
Okay, Andrew Prochnow.
Yes, ma'am.
So your attorney is in another court. He's in the 226 and he's gonna be delayed. He won't be able to make it. I'm gonna reset you 2 weeks to October the 13th.
Oh, okay.
Okay? And
Is
by
that
then,
on Zoom?
no, we will be
Or is
back
that
in person.
okay? And you don't know what time was it again?
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock on the 13th?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
And I can be excused?
You're excused.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hey, Jerry, how can I help you? I can't hear you.
I have Vicente Rodela, 686-332. Supposed to be a trial setting. Virgil's gonna get back with me on this, and I haven't heard from him.
Okay, well, Vicente was failure to appear.
He always shows up. I don't know why he didn't show up. Okay, I'll call him right now.
Okay,
Do you want him to log in or do you want him to come in person?
either one, if he can log in, that's fine.
Okay, I'll have him log in.
Okay.
Should have an agreement to revoke NJ.
Nicolas Alonso? You're mute, sir.
Yes, there I am. I'm sorry. Yes, I am here.
No, okay, you're the attorney for Mr. Nicolas Alonso? Thank you, sir.
That's correct.
Thank you.
Yes, how can I help you, sir?
Just sit tight. Just sit tight.
I guess I need to confer with the prosecutor on this. I'm not sure who the misdemeanor prosecutor is.
Okay, it's Virgil
here.
Yanta. I will put you in a breakout room.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'll do anything interesting today?
No, not really.
Nice call. That's good.
Get the fleet on.
The gentleman with hip 10's iPhone, what is your first and last name, sir? The gentleman under HEB 10's iPhone, what is your first and last name, please? You're muted, sir. I cannot hear you, sir. You're muted. The one with the black t-shirt and the chain under HEB.
I'm sorry. It's Joe Medina, my name.
Joe Medina or Joseph Medina?
It's Joe, Joe.
Thank
Joe
you.
Yeah. I'm so sorry. I didn't even know you were talking about me.
Thank you.
Linda, is Michael Goins? Did I get stuck in cyberspace or?
No, I'm waiting. I only have Virgil. So you just need to wait for him to finish. And then
Okay.
I already made him aware.
Okay, I'll be waiting.
Okay.
Hey, Linda.
Yes, Virgil, go to 9 and then Judge, I will let Judge know you're in there with Michael.
Okay. Yeah, I wanted to check with you before I hit the 9 just to make sure.
Yeah, go ahead and go and I will let Judge know.
Sounds good.
Okay. Judge,
See,
okay, I'm gonna move you to 9 with them.
okey and dokey.
Hi, Mick.
Hey, I
So
am,
on
I'm
Andrew,
real,
yeah,
yeah,
I got the message. So on Andrew, I went ahead and reset him to 10:13.
okay.
But on, where is he? Richard Opio, he
Ma'am,
failed to appear.
he's in jail. He's been there a couple of months on a
Oh, he's
parole,
in custody. Okay.
and it's a trial call docket today. Okay,
Uh,
what's the date on Andrew?
10:13. And then on Opio, you have it set for jury trial.
Yes, ma'am. He's,
Did you want to keep it or what are we doing?
well, if I could get the state's announcement, I understand we might start a jury next Wednesday.
Yeah, it would be Wednesday, 10:05 at 1:30.
Okay, 10-5 at 1:30.
And he's in custody, right? You said?
Yes, ma'am. He's been there a couple of months. The bondsman never got off the bond, so he still shows on bond for this assault.
Oh, it's an affidavit of surety. Okay.
He just recently filed it.
Yeah, I see that. Yeah, and they just did it like a couple of days ago or so.
Can I get the prosecutor's announcement on it?
Yeah, go ahead and hold on and I will find out for you, okay?
Okay, I've just got a couple of other cases. I got a contested hearing. I was supposed to start at 10 o'clock and the judge wants me to wait for a plea and
Okay, no worries. If you want, I can put you in a breakout room.
okay. Yeah,
Okay.
and all I want to know is ready or not.
Okay, give me a second.
Sure.
Jerry Valdez.
Yes, let's see. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yes, the last setting, mija, we had the state announced ready. I announced ready on Mr. Rodela, and they were gonna look into an impossible dismissal. I don't know if Virgil got with Charles on this, so
Did you want to confer then?
yeah. Let me see what they've decided. If not, we're ready on it. And Mr. Rodela, I just send them all the codes so we can log in.
Okay, thank you. Hold on, I'll put you in a breakout. There you go.
Thank you.
Mhm.
Judge. Judge.
Yes.
Sir, I was just wondering, my attorney said that he's gonna hop on this in a bit.
I'm sorry you broke up on me. What?
I was saying that my attorney said that he's gonna be joining the Zoom hearing in a bit.
Your attorney said what? I'm having trouble hearing you.
He's going to be joining the Zoom in a bit, in a moment.
Okay, I got you. That's fine. Stick around.
All right.
Thank you. Linda,
Yes, sir.
let's make a sweep through here.
Okay.
Um, did we ever hear from Neil Kalfas?
Yes, Sergio Ibarra should be coming into our courtroom probably or logging on. He's in 2 other courts right now.
Why didn't they follow the rules and let us know ahead of time?
I don't know, sir.
Well, we're gonna find out. Okay. Is Karen Corby still conferring?
Yes, she's still in the breakout room.
She's still in the confessional?
Yes.
All right. Mick Aguilera, did he show up?
Yes, he did. He's in the 226. He has to per Judge Mesa, they are going to have to call witnesses and stuff. So I reset this for 2 weeks, October the 13th.
The Procknow?
Yes. And
Right,
actually, he
reset.
might be in a breakout room because I know he did log on. So let me see.
No problem, as long as we've got,
Yeah.
as long as he's reported, that's
Yes.
okay.
Judge,
All right. Yes,
if I may, Mr. Charles Peters is in the courtroom, would like to approach.
does he have a case on the docket?
Not on the docket, Judge. It's a violation report.
Okay, what you got?
It's Britton Bez, Judge. I have his SID number in front of me.
Case number.
All right, let me pull up the case number. He's got 2 cases. So one of them is 646-736.
What's the name of the defendant?
Britton Bez, B-E-Z.
Brittany.
Or B-R-I-T-T-O-N, and then his last name is Bez, B-E-Z.
What's the charge?
DWI. DWI BAC over 0.15.
And
He also
your
has a
attorney-
second DWI judge.
Charles, your attorney of record?
Yes, Judge. He hired the Holscher W. Cepeda firm, and I am the associate that is handling his case now with the firm.
All right, so what do we got? What's going on?
So there was a high BAC blow. The order that I have so far is a bond increase and 7 days to comply with the DWI education course. My understanding is that his bond is currently on the case 15,000, Judge. And that pretrial was resubmitting the violation report so that the bond was correct. I was trying to find out what you're going to want to increase his bond to, and ask that with the already high amount of his bond to not set it up too much higher so that he can still afford to be on bond.
Well, Mr. Peters, I appreciate that you're a defense attorney, and I was one for 42 years. Problem is that your fellow has got your defendant is showing a propensity to get himself in trouble that's not of your making or mine, and it's my responsibility to try and protect the community too.
Understood, Judge.
He gets himself into a position where he's got a bond of 15,000, and ordinarily on violations, I double the bonds. That'd be 30. I'm not in a hurry to do that, but I'm not going to hurry to give him any favors either. So what are we going to do about it?
Well, Judge, if we can, instead of doubling it, maybe go to 18 or 20,000. I think we can still arrange that, and we'll have him do the DWI course and provide it to the court.
All right, Charles, Linda,
Yes, sir.
set this fella's Mr. Peters' client, Mr. Bez, at 18,000. Charles, if he screws up again, next time it'll be 36.
Understood, Judge.
You let him know that I'm watching him.
I will, Judge.
If he wants to spend a whole bunch of time in jail, especially now with the holidays coming, he'd have some Thanksgiving turkey with his brothers and sisters in the jail, maybe even Christmas. It's up to him.
Understood, Judge. I'll have a talk with him.
On those days, God willing, I'll be here at my house eating a really substantial meal, more than I should eat. But I'll be nice and comfortable. Mr. Bez may not.
I will admonish him, Judge.
I hope you really do, Charles. Jump all over his what you call it. All right.
Charles,
Yes.
is that on both cases for the violation report, or is it just one?
I only saw one submitted.
So what is the violation report?
It's the high BAC.
And he's already on a DWI second?
He has 2 pending DWIs, Judge.
Okay, so both of them are with BAC. So is it the 646 or the 623 that the violation report was submitted on?
The 736 is the one that we have the order for here.
646, 736.
Okay, Linda,
Okay.
change the bond like I said, but
Yes.
add a 0 tolerance. You got it?
Got it, Judge.
You're informed, Mr. Peters.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good weekend.
You too.
Justin Gomez, you are in the court. You need to sit up, not be lying down. Justin Gomez. Karen, how can we help you?
Hi, I want to announce on 3 of my cases.
Okay.
Ready when you are.
Sure.
Okay, so Justin Gomez, we have reached a plea agreement, so we just need a plea date, please.
Justin Gomez, hold on.
That's Mr. Sleepy there.
Yeah, he's been laying down and we've been trying to get him to sit up, Karen.
All right, I'll call. Well, hopefully just release him here in a sec, but
He is
Mr. Gomez,
awake.
you can
He's
please
not
sit up,
asleep.
Mr. Gomez.
is he
Okay.
unmuted?
No. Okay, so you want to set it for a plea? Can we do the 6th of October?
Yes.
Okay. What about on Joe Medina?
Sorry.
I'm sorry, Linda. Did you give a date for Mindy Garcia?
Not yet.
Thank you.
Oh, the state needs, we need to get the restitution amount, and if we get that, we may be able to work something out. So just a short reset on that for the state to get the restitution amount to me.
Okay. How about 3 weeks, October 21st?
Okay.
Okay. And then what about on Wendy?
Mindy, we have a plea off. We have a plea agreement.
Mindy.
So
I'm
if you want to do
sorry.
that on the 6th too, that would be great.
Yeah, we can do that on the 6th for plea. Okay, we'll do them. We'll do both of them on the 6th then.
And that will be in person, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And then Davis Beard, I have on your trial docket. We're still trying to look into stuff real quick, so I'll just be back with you later on that this morning, if that's okay.
Okay, all right, call me later.
So Justin and Justin Gomez, Joe Medina, and Mindy Garcia may be excused.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Garza,
Yes, ma'am.
what are we doing on Sobe?
Well, I'm pretty sure we have an agreement. I just wanted to talk to him about it, but I was gonna ask the judge if we could do the plea on Zoom. He's asking the court, he's got a job in Ohio and he needs to be out there by Monday.
By Monday?
Yeah. Is that all right, Sonobi?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So we were gonna ask to transfer the case or have him report either by Zoom or mail on the cases. They're gonna dismiss 2 and he's gonna plead on 2.
2, okay. And
The ones he's gonna plead on are 636, 640,
636, 640, uh-huh.
and 645008.
Okay, and he can't do these in person?
He could do it today. He's gonna be leaving. He's gonna be leaving town.
Okay,
That's why.
we can't do them today. Judge has an appointment he has to go to.
I understand that. And, that's why I'm asking if we could do it by Zoom.
Linda, check with some of the other judges. Maybe they can take the plea for me.
Okay. All right, I'll check with them. Mr. Garza, check back with me in an hour and I'm hoping to we can do these in person today.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you hear that, Sonobi? We'll talk in about an hour.
Sir, I was just wondering, so am I good to go or I gotta stick around?
You have to stick around for now. Right now, yes. We got to do the plea.
Okay.
Well, I mean, I guess, can you get off and then we can come back later, Linda? Or
Yeah,
what?
go ahead. Let him get off. Make sure we have a good number to reach him. So if we can do the plea, we'll do them today. Y'all just come in person.
Okay.
Okay?
In person today?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
I got your phone number, right, Sonobi? Which is
Yes,
that what is it?
747-257-3258.
Yeah, and we'll do it sometime today in person, hopefully.
Alrighty. Before 5, right?
Yes.
Alrighty, sir. And I'm expected to be at downtown.
Yeah, when we do it, you're gonna have to come down here. Yes.
Alrighty. And who's gonna tell me that I need to be there?
I'll call you and let you know where.
Okay. Perfect. Thank you, sir.
All right, thank you. Okay, may we be excused for now, Linda?
Yes, sir. Bud Rittenhour.
Good morning, Your Honor. How you doing today?
I am well. It's good to see you. How you been?
I'm well. I'm here on Nicholas Alonso. I've just conferred with the prosecutor. We have an offer. This is the first time we've had, this is an old case, but it started out as a felony. And then they got stuck in county court 2. This is the first time we've had an offer as a misdemeanor, and I'd like to reset this so I can discuss the offers. It's an optional offer. Couple of options. I'd like to talk to with the client in person.
How much time do you want, Bud?
Could I have about 30 days?
You have 30 days.
10,
How's
28.
your lady doing?
A few more bad days than good days.
Okay. Well, God bless her. We'll be
We're
thinking
still
about
here.
praying for her.
Thank you, Judge. I appreciate that.
Take care of yourself.
May I be excused?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
No, Bud.
Oh, yes, sir.
Where is Mr. Alonso? He didn't show up this morning.
No, he's here. He's on the
here,
screen.
Judge.
Okay.
He has long hair. His hair gets longer every time I see him.
Okay. There it is. Nicolás
Wait, there you
Alonso.
go.
Good morning. All right, we're all set.
All right. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Take care.
Mr. Alonso, you're free to go. Your case is being reset. I can't hear you. You're muted. Okay, bye-bye.
Did Miss Corby finish up on Beard?
No, Judge, she said she's gonna come by and talk to me on that one, but all her other cases got reset for 2 of them for a plea. 1 got reset, and she's gonna come and talk to me on that one.
Okay. Okay, we're right down to the end, aren't we?
Yes, sir.
We still haven't got anybody for Calphus.
Not yet. I know that they told me Sergio would be sending me.
Anton Hayek is not here, has not reported, and his client is a failure to appear.
Correct.
Rodella, Vicente Rodella.
I believe he's here now, Judge. In the orange shirt.
Okay. Mr. Rodella, you were supposed to be here at 9, sir.
Oh, I'm sorry, pero es que no me di cuenta que tenía que estar allí hoy.
Si no se presenta a las 9 de la mañana cuando debe, va a haber consecuencias, ¿eh?
Es que yo le había hablado al abogado y no me había contestado.
Okay.
Jerry is in a breakout room, Judge, waiting to
Right.
confer with Virgil.
Very good. Where's Kenny Delco, by the way? How's he doing? What's going on?
He's fine. He's on vacation, Judge.
Okay. The story with Mark Rodriguez.
Calphus. I'm waiting for
Yes,
Calphus.
sir, Your Honor.
We're waiting for your attorney.
Hello? 1 second, I can't hear you.
Yes,
We're
sir.
wait-
We're waiting on the attorney. It's Neil Calphus'
Oh, okay.
office.
That's one of his cases. And Johnny Cisneros,
I
did he
can't hear
ever?
anything.
Mr. Cisneros was gonna be at a CPS hearing, but he announced ready. So I told him that it would be Wednesday, October the 5th.
Okie dokie. Very good.
Hey, Sydney.
Hello.
Yes, Your Honor. You said Mark Rodriguez?
Ms. Reed, what can I do for you?
Judge, can we reset this case? If possible, another pretrial setting. If not, we have to set it for trial, I understand.
Which
It's
one
on-
are you talking about?
It's
Yeah,
on,
I'm sorry.
it's on Adam Hernandez, Judge, page 3, 653-129.
Okay, so what are we doing?
I'd like to set it for another pretrial setting if possible. If
It's
it's
already
too
been
old.
reset. It's already been reset 8 times. I'll give you
Sure.
one more, and that's it.
Okay, that's fine, Judge. I appreciate it.
28 days, 4 weeks from today.
Okay,
October 28th.
that's fine.
Okay. In person, Sydney.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I just informed her client he is aware of the date and time.
All right. Thank you.
Uh-huh.
All right. Y'all have a good
I'm
weekend.
sorry.
You too, Sydney.
All right. I see 2 or 3 people that are left.
Yeah, Mick is in a breakout room, and I have Jerry Valdez in a breakout room.
Now,
And
Mick
then
is,
the other 2 are Calphas, so I'm just waiting on him too.
but Mick is here on Procknow.
He was, and then he had somebody else, but I had already reset Procknow. And he was still he still wanted to confer.
Okay, we have Mr. San Miguel waiting for Neil Kalpis.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm still waiting.
And Mr. Rodriguez as well.
And then we have John.
Yes, Your Honor. I'm still here.
Hello.
Yes, they're both waiting on
Okay.
Calphas's law firm.
On Sergio.
Mm-hmm.
And no Bravanik.
No Bravanik.
All right,
All right.
that's where we're at for right now.
Yes.